Well, one of the first benefits that we'd like to see the legalization of marijuana manifest is that young youths wouldn't have to be criminalized because of a draw of herb.
I think it was a bad decision also to not legalize marijuana and legalize tobacco and alcohol instead. There's so much medicines derived from the plant. There is historically and culturally in history evidence of the use of this plant from thousands of years in ancient China and India. It's only in the last 70 years that society has demonized it and illegal and made it illegal.
I'm always an advocate for ganja. When it comes to ganja, it's a part of my inspiration. It's my sacrament. I've been smoking ganja from a very tender age, and it always gives me a vibe to have a greater insight and a better meditation.
But first of all, for Jamaica, marijuana or ganja or weed or whatever you want to call it, is spiritual and it's embedded in our culture. So that's a given. But economics, it should be something that it makes the disbelievers believe.
I grew up come here, my peers singing about legalizing it, and you know Peter with Bob Marley, everybody been singing about the herb, and I come discover herb and I get to like herb, and herb has done me good. And I've been singing about legalizing it, and to see it come happening today, it's one of the greatest achievements Jamaican culture and Jamaican people can have. So kudos to all the people who've been advocating and lobbying to get the weed legalized, and finally it's happening.
The same ground root of people who are eating from the marijuana industry now continue to do so. So we don't want marijuana to become legal and all of a sudden it doesn't help the suffering man anymore. Because it's always been a way for the suffering man to hustle, to sell some herb and take a risk to transport some herb at the risk of being arrested by the police. You understand? So we don't want to see those people stop being fed.
Well, you got to smoke herb from all over the world, and you got to love herb from the heart, and not just from the high. Because I don't even remember how to get high. Because I don't smoke weed to feel high, I just smoke weed to like tranquilize and meditate and think and take things slow, calm. It's like drinking red wine, Merlot. Large up! It's warlord. Sit them charge up.